Hey, this is Toe 2 Bravo, and we're out at the range again today. We have our IWI Ace Galil in 308. We're going to shoot at 50 yards today. We're going to zero our Eotech sight. That is the sight which I have chosen to go with. So that's enough yapping. Let's put some rounds down range. Again, we're at 50 yards. And let's see if we can get this zeroed in a fairly quick manner. So here we go. Watch your lane. We're on safe. Let's take a look down range and see where we're at. Looks like we're a little to the left, so we need to come to the right. Alright, we want a couple clicks to the right. Let's put 2 more rounds down range. Here we go. Watch your lane. Shoots like a freaking dream, man. Love that rifle. Wow. We are almost dead on. We'll go one more click. And we'll go for headshots this time. So here we go. Headshots, 50 yards, Eotech. See what we come up with. Alright, let's go down range and look at our target. Alright, here we are, 50 yards. We've got fresh targets up down range. Let's see what we can get. Here we go. Maybe, what do you think? Just a hair. Here we go. Complete. Let's go down range and see what we got. Our Galil 308, our final 14 rounds, steel target 50 yards, Eotech is zeroed. Let's put some rounds down range. We're down to 1 camera, that's why we got this crazy ass angle. So, ready or not, watch your lane. We're going paper. Hopefully we caught all that. All rounds complete. All right, let's talk about this. We'll back up so we're in focus here. Some final thoughts. This rifle is absolutely amazing. I love this rifle. This thing is great. If you have the funds available and you're on the fence on purchasing a high dollar type battle rifle, whether it be 5.56 or 308, this thing is absolutely amazing. It is fantastic. Recoil, maneuverability, usability, just the rifle itself, the quality, it's just fantastic. It's a blast to shoot. It's accurate. It is fantastic. The only thing that I might change in the foreseeable future is maybe the Midwest Industries handguard, just giving me a little more real estate to stay away from the hot barrel. Other than that, it's perfectly fine the way it is. You could adapt and you could train and overcome this right here. But this thing is freaking awesome. It is a blast to shoot. You're putting 308 lead down range. Today we shot the South Korean surplus ammunition. It did fantastic. This thing zeroed fairly quick. The next step is to get this out to 100, 200, and 300 yards. We'll shoot some steel plates, maybe some 8-inchers, just to see where we're at on paper, and then we'll just run the hell out of this thing. This thing's a blast. This is Toe 2 Bravo. Appreciate you watching. See you again out at the range.